this is George from Ruian Mingyuan Memory. Today I'll take you to visit our factory. Now follow me, let's see it.
We specialize in manufacturing paper product machinery, including paper cup machines, paper plate machines, and paper box machines. With a complete assembly line, we cater to diverse customer demands. And we can produce customized orders based on customer requirements.
Now already finished checked our workshop. Let me take you to see our professional team.
Following the blueprints for production planning, we produce each machine carefully. Adhering strictly to the manufacturing process, we deeply understand the importance of quality to our customers. And we take responsibility for each and every customer. Machine commissioning is an important step, and we rigorously inspect each machine. Our technical personnel meticulously inspect and identify potential issues that may arise, including the finished products, to ensure perfect operation before delivery. Continuous innovation is our core value. Our R&D team continuously explores new technologies and processes to enhance performance and efficiency, actively introducing advanced techniques.
If you want to know more details, please call us. Thank you for your watching.